Greetings, thanks for joining me. I found these amazing leather crossbody bags on Amazon.com over a year ago, and I wanted to show you how well they have been holding up, and I use them all the time. In fact, today I'm using my brown one, and what I love about it, because you know, I always end up with this going on, sliding off. It has this adjustable strap. I can make it really long, and I just sling it over. Bam! Slightly more casual look with the denim jacket. My black crossbody leather bag. Love it. I'm going to show you how they looked when they were brand new, and then we'll come back and I'm going to do close-ups of each of those bags. They look exactly the same. I just discovered the most amazing crossbody bags from Amazon.com. There it is. And it's got this nice long crossbody strap. And I'm going to show you how much stuff I can carry in my tiny little crossbody bag. I've got my driver's license, my cash, what else? Oh, of course, my Earth Cafe drink card and my Visa. And then in this slot, you can fit more stuff. And then in this slot, you can fit more stuff. Lip moisturizer, lip brush, lip gloss, lipstick. Oh, and a nice chubby eyeliner, of course, which you always have to take with you when you go out. Lots of makeup in that little pouch. And then in this top pouch, can you see how much stuff you can fit in there? That's a lot of stuff. So in here I have my iPhone 6 Plus, Sunnies, hand cream, oh, my favorite buttercream frosting, of course, Shakwa, my keys. What else is in here? Oh, a pen. You always need a pen for something. So that is all in the body of the bag. And it all fits quite nicely. I'm not done. On the back side, there are more compartments. So there's a zipper here. Oh, in here I have Band-Aids for when you're out and about town and your new boots are giving you blisters. And then there's this little pocket thingy that doesn't have a zipper. I don't know what you'd put in there. I don't usually use that one. Loved it so much that I just ordered it again in brown. Handcrafted genuine leather. And there you go, then you're ready to rock. Both of those crossbody bags came from Roma Leathers. I think I paid about $12 for the brown bag and about $11 for the black bag. Hi there, here's my black bag. And look, it looks exactly the same as it did a year ago. Check out the brown one, it looks exactly the same. Taking up a fraction of my mind. Amazing. I love these bags. Well, that's it. I just wanted to show you, in case anyone was wondering, do they hold up? Do they last? Yes, they hold up really well. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Oh, that's my timer. I have to go pick up the munchkin from school. Bye. Guess I'm a bad liar.